Imagine this. You highlight something brilliant while reading. Then it automatically shows up in your Notion workspace. Organized, beautiful, ready to use. Next, you link it to a project or a topic with one click. Then, you ask AI for insights based on everything you've been reading. By the end of this video, that's what you're going to have, and it takes about 10 minutes to set up. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Leo from Align Your Family. Here's the thing about highlights. We capture these amazing insights from books, articles, podcasts, and then they disappear into the app where we save them, and we never see them again. This setup changes that. You'll create a system where every highlight automatically flows into Notion. You actually build with what you read, and your knowledge compounds instead of collecting dust. The best part is once you set it up, you'll never have to touch it again. Let's do it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. A Readwise account. I'll put a link for a 60-day free trial in the description. Your Notion workspace, ideally with one of the templates I've set up to work perfectly with this system, a free GitHub account so you can access the code and set up the automation in about 10 minutes. Got it all? Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1, get your Readwise token. You're going to need to go to readwise.io/access token. I'll put the link on the screen. And then click this button that says get access token. You'll see a long string of characters. You're going to want to click copy to clipboard. And then you're going to want to copy this somewhere safe. I just like to put it into a text file somewhere here so we can reference it because we're going to need it later when we put our secrets into GitHub. All right, got it. Next, we're going to move on to our Notion token. Step 2, create a Notion integration. We're going to go to notion.so/profile/integrations and click new integration. You can name it anything you want, something like Readwise Sync. And then you can pick the workspace if you have multiple. Internal is great. Click Save. And then you can go to Configure Settings. Now we have our secret here. That's the token we want. So we're going to want to copy that. And we're going to want to put it into this same text file. Now we have our Notion token. Well, ready for the next step. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add that integration to the Notion page that we want to sync to. So go to your Media Vault database or whatever database you're syncing to and click the 3 dots up here and scroll down to Connections. Then you're going to want to search for the connection we just made, something like Readwise Sync, and you're going to confirm. Now the connection has been added. If you skip this, it won't work. This gives Readwise permission to write to the Notion database. Now we have that. Let's grab one more thing, the database ID, and we'll be good to go. Okay, now we can get our database ID. So you're going to want to go to the actual database, click the 3 dots here, go to View Database, then go to Share up here. We'll say Share. You're going to copy the link and just go to a tab here. And your database ID is going to be the 32 character string here after the backslash before the question mark. And you're just going to want to copy that and then paste it in here. Then we will have everything that we need. These are the 3 pieces. Let's put it together and get this automation going. Okay, next you're going to want to go to the GitHub repository. This is where the automation lives and runs completely free. So I'll put the link to in the description to this repository. And you're going to, once you're here, you're going to go to this green Use This Template button and then create a new repository. You're going to name it something like Readwise to Notion, and you're going to want to make it private and then create repository. It will create it, and then there's just one more step. You're almost done, and we'll be ready to go. Final step, we're going to add the 3 secrets. Remember the things we've been copying into the text file? So to do that, we're going to go to Settings, then Secrets and Variables, Actions, and we can add a new secret. So we're going to take that information from the text file, and we're going to do this for each of those. So Readwise token, and then we're going to copy in our token, and then we will click Add Secret. We're going to do that for the remaining 2, the Notion token, the Notion database ID. Then, once you have the 3 tokens, don't worry, nobody can see them, you will be ready to go. Okay, now let's make sure it works. So let's click the Actions tab. Then we'll click on the sync, Readwise to Notion sync, and we'll go down here and click Run Workflow. Now it's running. So we can go over here, and once it's refreshed, we can see it's running, and then we can actually click on it to see the status. We'll go over here to click sync, and it's going to be running through and give us the notes on everything. The log will be here, so you can see if there's any issues and what was added, and it will go through each one. So it worked. That's awesome. Now, when we go back to our Notion database, we can see everything is in here with the associated highlights. So it worked. We're good to go. And now that's something that will continue to grow with you. That's it. 10 minutes, it's set up, and now a lifetime of automatic knowledge capture. So every time you highlight something worth remembering, it shows up in your Notion workspace, ready to connect to your projects, your topics, and whatever you're working on. If you got stuck anywhere in this process, check the README file in the GitHub repository, as well as the setup instructions to see if that helps with your troubleshooting. If not, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help. And thanks for watching. Go read something amazing and watch the magic happen.